Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just want to do a quick review on the SmartBidet SB-1000. Now I should mention too that before I get started, I actually found a pretty good deal on this, and I'll throw a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So the SmartBidet SB-1000 is a Korean brand. Having just actually got back from South Korea myself, I can attest that they know their bidets over there. The airports over there are unbelievable, and all of them are like spec'd out with like the best in bidets. They really do know their thing when it comes to bidets, so I will attest to that. But in my opinion, the SmartBidet is, for the money, the best one out there right now. This is on par with $500 to $750 bidets for much less money. It has 5 levels of adjustable water pressure. It has 3 levels of water temperature adjusting. It has an electronic heated seat. It has a warm air dryer on it, and it also has 5 positions for the nozzle. The heated seat too has a sensor that only turns on when you sit, which is pretty cool, which you can turn off if you want. You can always have it heated if you want, but it automatically senses and it heats up really fast too. The air dryer blows very hard and completely eliminates the need for any kind of toilet paper or anything like that. The seat's very ergonomic, very comfortable. The remote works very well. Also, it's basic, but I like that. It's simple, it's easy to use. You don't need a million different features and buttons. You know exactly what button you need to push, which is nice. But the big thing with this one is really the price. To get a made in Korea bidet of this quality, this thing should cost 4 times what it actually is selling for. I'm actually really surprised they can even make one with all these features that work so well this cheap. And the thing with it is sometimes, you think they'd have to skimp on certain features. Maybe the air dryer doesn't work good. Maybe the heated seat doesn't work as good. Maybe the wash isn't the right kind of thing, or it can't be adjusted. And they've left nothing out though in this one. Everything works really good, and for the money, an unbelievable value in my opinion. I absolutely love it. So anyway, I really do recommend it. If you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.